Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Arjuna's Grief, Chapter 1, Shloka 43. By these evil deeds of the destroyers of the family, which cause confusion of castes, the eternal religious rights of the caste and the family are destroyed.
Chapter 1, Shloka 43. Doshaireteirkulagnanam varnasankarakarakai उत्साध्यन्ते जाति धर्माः कुलधर्माश्च शाश्वताः.
In the previous shloka we saw they were talking about the destroyers of the family. They are sent to hell, and the forefathers are deprived of the offerings. And there they talked about the consequences of the destruction of family units. Here in Shloka 43, Arjuna is continuing to give some more light on those consequences. He is making it more clear. He is saying evil deeds of the destroyers of family, which cause the admixture of castes, they cause the death of the family traditions and the families. So he is again giving stress of protecting the family by giving the logical arguments why we need to protect the family. See, we have got religion is the spiritual culture of India, and the religious rites are practiced in the home, that is the shelter for the family, and the individual gets the training in the home. So again they are repeating the same thing, and they are saying is, and I again repeat that they are giving arguments, Arjuna is placing arguments which look very, very good and right, but because they are to support a wrong cause, we have to think about it, whether his intentions are bad, but physically what he is doing is good. And that is why he is not getting any support from his friend Krishna. If we can understand this, then we can also see the picture of the wars story which we read, people returning with disabled bodies and amputated limbs. And not only that, this is the physical part, then there are mental scars in their mental makeup, and the future generations have to suffer, and atrocities which spontaneously take place after the war. So these are the things which Arjuna wants to highlight, but he is not getting any support. So we will see more of this in the next video. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online.